This is Genesis, not a chatbot or a content generator, but a revolutionary new platform that's changing how we train robots, build simulations, and generate data. It's one of the fastest and most flexible AI-driven simulation systems ever released. So let's explore what Genesis really is, why it's such a big deal, and how it could shape the future of AI and robotics. Genesis is an open-source platform designed for robotics, embodied AI, and physics-based simulation. It's being developed by a team of researchers focused on creating a universal tool for simulating the real world, fast, accurately, and intelligently. Think of it as a supercharged combination of a physics engine, a robotics simulator, a generative AI system, and a rendering engine, all wrapped into one. It's written in Python, supports CPU and GPU, and works across Linux, Windows, and even Mac OS. It's like the Unity or Unreal Engine for AI agents, but laser-focused on robotics and simulation. Genesis isn't just about simulating objects. It can handle rigid bodies, fluids, soft materials, and granular matter, all while achieving speeds of up to 43 million frames per second on modern GPUs like the RTX 4090. Yes, you heard that right, 43 million FPS. That means Genesis can simulate complex environments at lightning speed, allowing AI agents to train thousands of times faster than in real life. This makes it incredibly useful for researchers working on things like robotic arms, drones, quadrupeds, and even simulated humans. The faster your simulations run, the faster your AI learns. Section 3, Generative Intelligence built in. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Genesis comes with a generative data engine. Soon, you'll be able to type a natural language prompt like, "A kitchen environment with a robotic arm making coffee," and Genesis will automatically generate the entire simulation. It doesn't just build scenes, it can generate tasks, objects, robot controllers, and datasets automatically. This could completely change how we create training data for embodied AI. There's also something called RoboGen, a generative agent system built on top of Genesis. It proposes new tasks for robots and trains them to complete those tasks using reinforcement learning and self-improvement. This makes Genesis a full-stack platform for embodied intelligence. Let's talk about how this is used in practice. Genesis can be used to train robot arms to manipulate real-world objects, simulate environments for drone navigation, generate massive datasets of physical interactions for AI models, experiment with soft robots, tactile sensors, or human-robot collaboration, and even test industrial workflows in virtual space before building them in the real world. Because it supports differentiable simulation, researchers can optimize robotic control using gradient-based learning, which is much faster and more efficient than trial and error methods. And since it's open source, anyone from a university student to a research lab to a robotics startup can use Genesis for free. Genesis is already publicly available on GitHub. The core simulation engine, rendering tools, and integration layers are open to explore. But the most exciting part, the generative agents, are still in development. In the future, the creators aim to fully integrate large language models and generative AI to allow for automatic world generation, behavior scripting, and dynamic learning environments. This could lead to truly intelligent simulation, where AI not only learns in a digital space, but also helps create the space it learns in. So that's Genesis, an incredibly fast, intelligent, and flexible simulation platform for embodied AI. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or just someone who's fascinated by the future of robotics, this is a project to keep your eye on. Let me know what you think in the comments. Could Genesis be the new standard for robotics training? Do you want a tutorial series on how to use it? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of AI. Thanks for watching.